I'm Dan from Honeywell Safety Products. We are a safety PPE provider in Australia and obviously here in Western Australia. We do a massive range of products, as you can see, and we go all the way through eyewear, welding, respiratory, height safety, electrical safety protection, and we've got some massive endorsed brands like Salisbury by Honeywell. We do Miller by Honeywell in our fall protection, and we do Howard Light by Honeywell in our hearing protection. We cover a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to mining, oil and gas, basically anywhere where you're doing work there's PPE involved, so it's a big growth market. So this is the QUIETPRO QP100Ex hearing and communication device. So basically it's a product that's got some fantastic features. First and foremost, it's a hearing protection device, and that's through these earplugs here. These earplugs are rated to 29 decibels under the SLC 80 rating. One of the fantastic features about this product is when you first actually insert the earplugs and you turn the device on, it actually fit tests itself. So when you turn it on, it'll actually quantify the fact that you've got a good fit. The great thing about that is if you've got a poor fit, it'll actually notify you which ear the poor fit is in, or both ears, and instruct you to refit your earplugs. Second part of that is it's a communication device. So the communication side of things is twofold. Number one, it's situational. So there's microphones on the outside of both of these plugs here that you insert into your ears. They pick up on the noise that's going on around you and they replay it into your ears. The great thing about this is it is 100% situational, so if somebody was to walk around me talking, I'd be able to hear it perfectly as they go around the back and I would know exactly where they were. The other great thing is, unlike other devices, it doesn't just cut out when it gets above a certain volume. It actually replays the sound into your ear at a quiet and safer volume for you. So that's your situational. It also hooks up to a radio, as you can see here, and obviously the great thing about that is being able to communicate with other people on site while in noisy environments. The added bonus of that is that because it's inserted through your ears, it picks up your voice on microphones that are contained inside on the inner ear, and that way then there's no boom mics or anything like that, so it picks up your voice through your inner ear canals, so your speech to people on other areas of the site is very clear. It's also very compatible with other PPE, so if you're wearing a hard hat or a full face mask, you can still communicate with people effectively around the site and around you in the area that you're working in. The third part to this is that it's also a dose device, so it actually records your dose throughout your shift when you're at work, and it will actually notify you when you get to dangerous levels of your daily dose. And it records that dose not from the outside but actually from the inside of the plug, so it's taking the dose that is received by your inner ear rather than what's actually in your surroundings. So it's a very accurate dose device. At Miller Fall Protection, a unique product that we've got in Australia is we've got this rope here called sharp edge rope. So ordinary commensal rope, if you take a fall over an edge, say an I-beam, or over say a steel edge that's got a fairly sharp radius on it, commensal rope will go through very quickly like butter, whereas this sharp edge rope, and you'll see in the video, will take a fall over the edge no problem. It'll also, if there's any swing fall, it will resist the swing fall and it won't cut. So it's a unique product and it's great for people working where there's a possibility that they'll fall over an edge rather than being anchored from above.